मसान क्या है? कमर्शियल फिल्म है या ऑफ बीट फिल्म है?
दोनों
नहीं, मैं
फिल्म है।
मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा। इतनी बड़ी हिट है, कांस पहुंच गई, इतने पुरस्कार लेके बैठ गई, इतना बड़ा एक सुपरस्टार आपको दे दिया है विक्की कौशल। बट क्या है? माई स्ट्रगल स्टार्टेड वेरी सून इनफ with my first film, getting the first film, me convincing people that I can act, that I can work, and you know I'm worthy of coming on screen. कुछ आध किरदार ऐसे हैं जो जिसके लिए मैं लड़ जाऊंगा, क्योंकि मैं जानता हूँ मेरे अलावा ये किरदार कोई शायद कर नहीं पाए। रही बात जॉनी गद्दार के टाइम की, तो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट था लोगों तक ये बात पहुँचाना कि एक सिंगर का बेटा एक एक्टर बन सकता है। ये काटना, ये तोड़ना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट था।
नील को किस चीज का है जुनून अब इसी वक्त?
मुझे जुनून है काम करने का और एक्सपेरिमेंट करने का अपने काम को लेकर। मेरा जुनून है अपने परिवार की खुशी हमेशा टॉप प्रायोरिटी पे रखने का। We have such great names like Rakesh sir. Rakesh uncle is I think you know, one of those greatest inspirations, and his journey. Okay, oh my God, from an actor to a writer, producer, director, you know, seeing the downfall, coming back, and then giving one of the biggest superstars, you know, to the country, his son. Wow, very happy about Bobby, you know, and you know, the fact that he's again sharpened himself and his act so much, come back, reinvented himself, new avatar, new look. You know, completely different approach to how he's addressing his characters, whether it was you know, his show Ashram, to Animal, to all of that. I mean, brilliant work.
But you're a very possessive actor.
I am a possessive actor. Yes, means if I'm not convinced about a shot, or if I'm not even convinced about lighting, you know, because I know that because of this lighting, my performances is getting hampered, I'll fight for it.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Headline and the Byline podcast with me, Hesha Cheema. In today's conversation, मैं एक ऐसे एक्टर से बात करने जा रही हूँ, which I'm actually happy to say, मैं बहुत जल्दी मिल रही हूँ उनसे, क्योंकि पहले हमारा हिसाब बराबर शायद आधा ही हुआ था, कि अब जाके continue हो रहा है, that we're back in conversation. He's a man who personifies patience, strength, and the never giving up attitude, and I'm so happy that I'm gladly welcoming Neel Nitin Mukesh.
Thank you.
Hello, so happy to see you.
Good to see you
Again.
God bless you. You can't even imagine how excited I am. Let's put it this way, I kind of manifested this. You know, and if I'd asked Guruji or anybody for anything else, it probably would have also come true. But just yesterday and today morning, coincidentally, you know, so much bombarding happening with our promotions and on social media. I'm going through stuff, and your interviews constantly kept popping up. And I'm like, I haven't met her this time. And there was something I was feeling incomplete about. And here
we are.
Yeah.
And first of all, thank you. This really makes my day. Actually, night. क्योंकि I want to pay you a compliment. मैं आपको देख रही हूँ. At least मेरे यहाँ पे 4 घंटे हुए हैं. But you've been here since morning. And full dedication, diligence के साथ.
I was here. We started sharp 12. And it's 11 o'clock right now in the night.
Yeah.
So, yeah. 11 hours almost.
Almost. And जब तक हम बात करेंगे आपके 12 घंटे पक्का मैं खा के जाने वाली हूँ.
घर पहुँचते मेरे 12 घंटे
हो ही जाने वाले हैं. But you know, as I said कि हिसाब बराबर से अब हमारा एक हिसाब बराबर होना बाकी है. I think that is why we are here for
I'm
this
so happy.
one-on-one chat for sure.
Thank you.
And I think you rightly mentioned spiritual people attract one another.
Yes.
ये होना था. We have that some sort of a connect.
Correct.
And as you rightly said, Guruji brought us here and we're doing this chat today. What are the odds? But मैंने सोचा था मैं ऐसे ही start करूँगी ये conversation आपसे, क्योंकि for me, like, you know, as a teenager, when I had a crush on somebody, was when I saw your film New York.
Oh, wow.
जिसमें there's this गाना है जुनून सा सीने में. And now we're back with है जुनून. Can I tell you something funny? मेरा भी debut हुआ है जुनून में.
Wow.
Yeah, it's funny.
Wow.
It's crazy how this is happening. In the 18th episode, I'm there. I play myself only. Very small, teeny weeny role, but that's how we are here.
That's amazing. God bless you. So, you know, I have deliberately chosen not to say the final edits because I want to binge watch the show myself.
Yeah.
You know, it's such a big show. It's got so many tracks. It's got so many actors coming together. So, though my team constantly kept calling and said, okay, Neil, just see the edit once. I said, no, yeah, let me. I mean, I have faith in the director. I mean, his vision, etc. Of course, and I know what's written out of it. But I just want to see it as a viewer also, and kind of go through the journey with the characters as I see it for the first time.
Absolutely. इसलिए मैं आपको कोई spoilers नहीं दूंगी इस chat
Please,
के through.
आपने
मैं
देख
चुप
लिया?
रहूंगी बिल्कुल. हाँ, मैं तो देख के आई हूँ.
आप देख के, अच्छा.
Yeah, we got the screeners perks of my job, but
Nice.
well, I'm gonna let you see. But I want to ask you this: है जुनून?
जी.
नील को किस चीज का है जुनून अब इसी वक्त?
मुझे जुनून है काम करने का और एक्सपेरिमेंट करने का अपने काम को लेकर. मेरा जुनून है अपने परिवार की खुशी हमेशा टॉप प्रायोरिटी पे रखने का. मेरा जुनून है कि जितने लोगों ने अगर मेरे सपनों को एक किस्म से मेरी हकीकत नहीं बनने देने की क्षमता अपने में रखी है, उनको चैलेंज करने का कि नहीं भाई, वो मेरे सपने हैं, उन्हें पूरा करने का अधिकार है मेरा, और मैं जितनी मेहनत करूँगा वो मेरा हक बनता है. मैं वो जितना संघर्ष करना मैं करूँगा और आगे बढ़ूँगा. तो बगैर जुनूनियत, बिना पैशन, बिना सेल्फ कन्विक्शन होना इतने साल सस्टेन करना बहुत मुश्किल होता है.
हाँ.
आप शायद 6 महीने अगर लगा दिए किसी चीज़ को, अगर साइन नहीं किया आपने, तो लोग आपको ऑलरेडी राइट ऑफ कर देते हैं, कहते हैं यार इसको तो काम नहीं मिल रहा. तो यहाँ से मैं ऊपर वाले का शुक्राना मानता हूँ और अपने फिल्म मेकर्स का शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ कि कम से कम हर बार मुझे मौके दिए उन्होंने, और अब भी ये होने सब के बाद एक मौका ढूंढने का वापस मेरा मौके ढूंढने का मेरी तलाश वापस जारी हो गई है.
You know, मुझे इसमें आपको ऐड करके ये बोलना है. I think what you seek is also seeking you.
Correct. Yeah, I truly believe that.
Since you're seeking that for yourself, you know, deep down, I feel that's also now coming in your way and you're getting to do what you truly believe is your potential.
You're so right about it, because when you think of it this way, and maybe there have been, phases in everyone's lives, you go through phases.
Yeah.
Where you might not take seriously what you've been given. And it's not like I've never taken my profession seriously. I've just never felt as passionate about it. जब आप से कुछ शायद आप किसी चीज़ को अगर खो देते हैं, तो उसकी अहमियत आपको और समझ में आ जाती है. तो शायद मैंने अपनी कला नहीं खोई है, मैंने अपना पैशन नहीं खोया, बट यंग था. शायद कोई गाइडेंस थी नहीं, और इस किस्म की कि अच्छा ये भी करना ज़रूरी है, ये डिप्लोमेसी भी मेंटेन करना ज़रूरी है, ये पीआरिंग करना भी ज़रूरी है, इस किस्म का तो शायद अगर आज की मैच्योरिटी तब होती तो करियर बहुत अलग होता और बहुत चीज़ें अलग होती लाइफ में. तो I completely agree with what you're saying. In fact, if you go to retrospect and think about it, that's what life teaches you also.
Yeah.
Huh? You value things only when you don't have it.
True.
And then the battle of wanting to get it back starts again.
Yeah.
But luckily for me, while I say that and I believe that, my struggle started very soon enough with my first film, getting the first film, me convincing people that I can act, that I can work, and I'm worthy of coming on screen.
Why do you say convincing?
I come from a music background, and my legacies of legendary singers, Mukesh ji, Nitin Mukesh ji. So the first instant reaction would be, why are you not getting into singing? Oh, you're considered like a chocolate boy, all right, fine.
But shouldn't you be considered to do that? Because can I tell you something? Everybody dies for that quintessential actor looks, and if you have it genetically, तो क्या problem है?
Well, if I do have it, and if I think I have the talent too, I have that belief. But there are people who have to put money on me,
हाँ.
and they have to believe in that. Maybe some saw it, maybe some didn't.
Yeah.
So no complaints, because end of the day, it's the business of cinema, right?
जी.
And I don't blame them, because there are many people who didn't believe in me, signed me right after the first release itself, and there were no hard feelings about it or ill feelings के ओ आपने मेरे को पहले नहीं sign किया अब आप आ रहे हैं. I don't hold grudges at all.
Yeah.
I mean, everyone has a right of how they have envisioned their career graph of their or their filmography, or how they want to cast. Why not?
Yeah.
You know, tomorrow when I mean, I am a producer.
Yeah.
I do produce and I write films. Tomorrow, God forbid, if there is an opportunity for an actor, but maybe my team has evaluated it and considers कि अच्छा ये नहीं कोई और सही, एंड इसमें मैं अपना नाम भी जोड़ दूंगा कि अगर आपको लग रहा है कि कहानी मैंने लिखी है और आपको लग रहा है कि मैं इसको हेल्प नहीं कर पाऊंगा, बट कहानी अच्छी है, इसको बनना ज़रूरी है, इसको बनाना ज़रूरी है, मगर मुझसे ज़्यादा कोई अच्छा एक्टर कर पाएगा, बड़ा स्टार कर पाएगा, प्लीज़ बनाइए. मैं अपने आप को सैक्रिफाइस 1 सेकंड में कर दूंगा. और ये मेरे इंडस्ट्री के लोग जानते भी हैं. मैं प्रोड्यूस कर रहा हूँ, बहुत सारी फिल्में लिखता भी हूँ. तो जब जब ऐसा सवाल मेरे सामने उठा है कि यार नील, तुम्हारी जगह अगर कोई और ये करे, नाराज़गी होती है कि हाँ यार, पहले तो आप पूछते हो कि किस किस्म का किरदार करना चाह रहे हो, मैं लिख के ले आया हूँ, आपको फिल्म अच्छी भी लग रही है, आप करना भी चाह रहे हैं, पर आपने मुझे ही हटा दिया. नाराज़गी होती है. फिर मैं बोलता हूँ यार प्रोड्यूसर के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, भाई ये फिल्म मैंने अपने बेडरूम के लिए तो थोड़ी ना लिखी है.
हाँ.
मैं चाहता हूँ कि जो मैंने इसमें भी तो मेहनत की है.
हाँ.
ये भी तो मेरा एक सपना है, ये भी तो मेरा बच्चा है कि मैं चाहता हूँ कि ये भी तो आगे बढ़े.
करेक्ट.
तो फिर एज अ प्रोड्यूसर देन दैट किक्स इन एंड आई से ओके नो यू आर राइट, मे बी लेट्स गेट समबडी एल्स. कुछ आध किरदार ऐसे हैं जो जिसके लिए मैं लड़ जाऊंगा, क्योंकि मैं जानता हूँ मेरे अलावा ये किरदार कोई शायद कर नहीं पाए.
हाँ.
और बट वो समय अलग था, आज समय अलग है. आज कॉर्पोरेट कंपनीज आ गए हैं, आज मौके शायद मिलते हैं और वो थोड़ा रिस्क ले लेते हैं एक किस्म का. बट वहाँ पर भी मैं देख रहा हूँ कि थोड़ा एक कन्वीनियंट रूट अब सेट हो रहा है. बड़े नाम, बड़े सेटअप्स करवाना चाह रहे हैं, तो थोड़ा वहाँ पे भी मार खाते हैं. बट रही बात जॉनी गद्दार के टाइम की, तो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट था लोगों तक ये बात पहुंचाना कि एक सिंगर का बेटा एक एक्टर बन सकता है. ये काटना, ये तोड़ना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट था.
Yeah. आपको कब लगा specifically that the industry really opened up to the actor in you? With which film?
जॉनी गद्दार.
The first one.
The first one. And not just me, my entire team, as in my director, my producers, everybody associated with that film. We had great conviction with the film. You know, that was a trend-setting film.
Yeah.
It was almost coming in an era of almost. I was always and I will always be a rebel. I'll always be that. I've done roles that were way ahead of its time.
Yeah.
For an actor of my age to have done that.
Can I tell you something? Lafange Parinde.
Lafange Parinde. You know, David, Wazir, Saath Khoon Maaf. There are so many of them.
Yeah.
Tera Kya Hoga, Johnny. If you talk about the South, to again push the envelope and, you know, get out of your comfort zone.
Yeah.
Go learn a language and do a film in Tamil, do a film in Telugu. Both blockbuster, 2 blockbusters, 3rd super hit, Kavacham. I'm doing a 4th one now.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you. So it's tough to constantly keep having that conviction in you and convince others that I have that belief in me.
Yeah.
Because there's an evaluation system out here also.
Yeah.
People evaluate you by the success. You know, अच्छा बड़ी फिल्म दिया. Oh, इसकी फिल्म है? किसकी? नहीं. So that happens a lot. And unfortunately, अगर आप एक बड़ी फिल्म का हिस्सा अगर हैं, तो और अहम हिस्सा हैं। ऐसा नहीं कि अगर आप मेरा किरदार हटा दें तो शायद वो कहानी फॉल्टर कर जाए।
राइट।
तो ऑब्वियसली जाहिर सी बात है कि मेरा किरदार इम्पोर्टेंट है उस फिल्म का, तो मैं भी तो उस बड़ी हिट का हिस्सा हूँ ना। बट आप श्रेय किसी और को देंगे। अगर ये फिल्म फ्लॉप हो गई होती तो फॉल तो सबके लिए है।
हाँ,
ये गलत है।
हाँ, बिल्कुल।
ये मैं कभी भी अपने, अगर न्यूयॉर्क आप कहें तो न्यूयॉर्क ना जॉन का इंडिपेंडेंट हिट है, ना मेरा, ना कटरीना का, ना कबीर का। It's a collective effort. Everyone's put in hard work.
Right.
Irfan sir, all the actors, Nawazuddin sir, all of them have been a part of this film.
Yeah.
The producers, their conviction in us.
Yeah.
It's a hit for all of us.
Yeah, sure.
But if it's a flop, or unfortunately it doesn't reach the numbers, there are many aspects that contribute to a film not doing well. But the blame comes straight on the actor.
Actors, always.
And then you say, अरे इसका नहीं चला। भाई मैंने तो बहुत बड़ों की फिल्म नहीं चलते हुए देखी है, बट उनको मौके मिलते हैं एक के बाद एक, एक के बाद एक, एक के बाद एक। हमारे यहाँ 2 फिल्म नहीं चलती, हमें बोलते हैं घर पे बैठ जाओ। गलत है ना?
Yeah, for sure.
क्यों?
Yeah.
हमें आप क्यों नहीं
Have
मौका
you
देते?
found the answer of this क्यों?
Not
Still
yet.
finding, right?
No, not yet.
Yeah, I think we're all in that search कि ऐसा क्यों होता है, because there are so many who go through it.
Not yet. And that is the only unfair bit I feel. कि didn't he give 10 flops?
Sure.
You've given him his 1100 crore rupee hit again to come back with. You know? Here 2 films falter and you're like, ah, career over. Calm down, bro. What do you mean career over?
Yeah.
You know? Both the films, even if they don't do well, you've been appreciated for. But still people are ready to write you off almost instantly. And people take pleasure in it.
Have you ever tried going back to those critics who probably did not say anything positive about you? One. And the second part of it is to those directors also who probably felt कि नहीं, they lacked conviction in you. Did you ever try having that conversation, being like, help me understand this?
I don't need to.
You didn't seek that validation externally.
I don't see that, you know, because luckily, by the grace of God, I haven't ever come across a director who hasn't had that faith in me. The fact that I've worked with over a dozen national award-winning directors proves the point right there.
Yeah.
And I've done 30 plus films
Yeah.
in my career up until now, in the last 18 years, you know, or since the time Johnny released to now, which is not bad.
Which is not bad at all. It's good.
And I'm talking about getting the opportunity of working with some really big names, you know, some really powerhouses of this, not just this industry, but even in the South.
Yeah.
So that's validation good enough.
Yeah.
But having said that, when it comes to the critics, you know, critics have always been very supportive also. So there's no complaint there either. It's not about, neither it's about the critics, neither it's about the directors. My fear for filmmaking in general, and it's a very general conversation, we have succumbed, you know, as filmmakers to the process being bastardized.
Yeah.
You know, there used to be a time when directors used to say, ये मेरी कहानी है,
हाँ.
इसमें मैंने इस किरदार में इस एक्टर को देखा है, ये एक्टर मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है. अब वो प्रोसेस बदल गया है. अब आप के डायरेक्टर को भी वैलिडेशन देना पड़ रहा है किसी और को कि ये मेरी कहानी मैं बनाना चाह रहा हूँ. पहले तो डायरेक्टर को ही हटा देंगे. अच्छा ये आपने लिखी है, कहानी बेच दो हमें, आप हट जाइए. हाँ, अच्छा उसमें आप आ गए इंटरफियर करने कि नहीं, अच्छा इसको कलर पैलेट ये कर दो, अच्छा एक्टर ये कास्ट कर लो, you know, you should get this. So there are many creative heads that have started coming in the process of what one captain of the ship should be leading, and you should be supporting that vision. That's what direction is all about.
Yeah. Now it's projects. Na,
Now it's project.
अब तो project
आप फिल्म नहीं बना रहे हैं, आप प्रोजेक्ट बना रहे हो.
Yeah.
तो मुझे तो डर लगता है जब प्रोजेक्ट कोई होता है ना, सर ये प्रोजेक्ट बन रहा है, मैं फोन कर रहा हूँ आपको. प्रोजेक्ट क्या बन रहा है भाई? आप फिल्म बना रहे हैं।
मैं आपको कुछ बताऊं, इट्स लाइक देयर इज अ प्रोजेक्ट, फिर एक होता है पैन इंडियन बनाना है, फिर एक होता है मल्टी लैंग्वेज बनाना है, देन बॉक्स
ये
ऑफिस,
क्या है?
ओटीटी रिलीज। या
ये है क्या? इतना डाइसेक्शन
या
क्यों?
या
सर एक कमर्शियल फिल्म है, ये ऑफबीट फिल्म है। अरे फिल्म है ना,
या
लैंग्वेज तो एक ही है,
हाँ
ऑडियंस तो वही होगी। हाँ यार, ये फिल्म का जॉनर अलग है, इसकी ऑडियंस अलग है, मगर है तो सही, इसलिए तो कोई बना रहा है।
बना रहा है, करेक्ट।
मसान क्या है? कमर्शियल फिल्म है या ऑफबीट फिल्म है?
दोनों
नहीं,
फिल्म,
मैं
तो फिल्म है।
मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा।
हाँ,
इतनी बड़ी हिट है, कांस पहुंच गई,
हाँ।
इतने पुरस्कार लेके बैठ गई, इतना बड़ा एक सुपरस्टार आपको दे दिया है विक्की कौशल, बट क्या है? यानी क्वेश्चन मैं करता हूँ, तो जो फिल्म चलती है वो आपकी कमर्शियल फिल्म है,
करेक्ट।
और जो नहीं चलती वो ऑफबीट फिल्म होगी।
Offbeat film हो जाती है, हाँ, that's true. Actually, you know, this also reminds me with two things. Recently, I had spoken to Rakesh Roshan ji, and he told me कि जब मुझे लगा ना मेरे अंदर का एक्टर कोई देख नहीं पा रहा है, तो मैंने खुद पावर लिया अपने आप।
एग्जैक्टली और बहुत ऐसे हैं
हाँ,
कि आज आप मुझसे कहते हैं कि आप नील एज एन एक्टर किस किस्म की फिल्म करना चाह रहे हैं। जिस किस्म की फिल्म मैं करना चाह रहा हूँ उस किस्म की स्क्रिप्ट लिखी नहीं जा रही है। और जब मैं अपने आप में वो हुनर देख रहा हूँ कि मैं बतौर एक एक्टर की हैसियत से तो आया हूँ, बट टैलेंट रखता हूँ एज अ राइटर की भी,
हाँ।
एज प्रोडक्शन की भी, क्योंकि सीखा है।
करेक्ट।
ऐसा नहीं कि बस हाँ एक दिन शौक
तो बस लिख
आ
पड़े।
गया, बस हाँ हमने स्क्रिप्ट खोल के लिख लिए।
हाँ,
कब से सीखे जा रहा हूँ। ये आपको अब आपके सामने आ रहा है कि मैं हाँ एज अ स्क्रिप्ट राइटर आ रहा हूँ, तो ये गलत है। अगर आपने, मैं सपना नहीं देख सकता हूँ क्या? मेरा हक नहीं बनता कि मैं भी एक किसी और एक एस्पेक्ट को एक्सप्लोर करूं? We have such great names like Rakesh sir. Rakesh uncle is I think one of those greatest inspirations.
Yeah.
And his journey.
Yeah.
Okay, oh my God, from an actor to a writer, producer, director, seeing the downfall, coming back, and then giving one of the biggest superstars,
yeah,
to the country, his son. Wow.
yeah, inspiration.
Inspiration. So
Sure.
I thrive, and I that's where I get that's my source of inspirations. These are people
Yeah.
that I look up to, because somebody once, very early in my life, I just happened to talk about NNM Films as a production that someday I'd like to make a film. What? Remain as an actor? What are you talking about? What is this NNM Films? Ah, man, that really pissed me off.
Block the person.
No, not just block the person, forget blocking the person. That gave me courage to say, if you said no, I will do it.
Yeah. I'll show you.
Why not? भले मैं एक फिल्म बनाऊं, मैं NNM Films फ्लोट तो जरूर
करूंगा। Okay.
मेरा ऑफिस तो जरूर होगा,
बनेगा।
जो हाँ प्रोडक्शन भगवान की दया से मैंने किया।
Yeah.
इस वजह से नहीं कि आई एम ट्राइंग टू बी अ रिबेल टू प्रूव अ पॉइंट। इज दैट आपने क्यों अपने दिमाग में लिख लिया कि ये नहीं कर पाऊंगा?
Preconceived notions.
क्यों? आप अगर कर सकते हैं तो किसी और का भी तो हक है कि वो भी कोशिश करे। अगर आप एक्टिंग कर सकते हैं तो मैं नहीं कर सकता, अगर मुझ में है वो।
Yeah.
तो ये लड़ाई तो बहुत बहुत रहती है, और वो मेरे साथ ही नहीं, बहुत ऐसे एक्टर हैं जो शायद इस बारे में बात करने से डरते हैं या फिल्टर करते हैं कि नहीं, we have to sound perfect and proper. I don't have any filtration about this. I'm very honest about it.
Yeah.
If I'm struggling, I'll say I'm struggling. If
Yeah.
I'm finding work, I'm finding work. There is no shame in asking for it.
Absolutely not. Yeah.
Why should I feel ashamed? If I have to pick up a phone and make a call to, filmmakers and remind them of my existence, or casting directors, and say, okay, hi guys, this is the new era of how an actor can be coming in.
Then go for it.
Then can I? Half the times तो they have this preconceived notion कि शायद ये नील सर ये कैरेक्टर करे ही नहीं। आपको कैसे मालूम मैं हाँ या ना करूँगा? पूछो तो सही। ये भी तो सुनने आता है बाद में। So there's a lot to fight against, and a lot that I have to keep my patience and my conviction within myself to just to forge ahead. Yeah.
Right. questions that are coming to my mind with this conversation only. First, I'm going to bring up writing, and correct me if I'm wrong. I think it's a very lonely process. You know, you're in your own shell, you're doing your own thing, right? And then you have to act. You know, where it's so collaborative, especially on a project like है जुनून, जहाँ पे इतने सारे लोग हैं, right? And कहीं ना कहीं आपको है कि I should also leave a mark. Irrespective. Tell me, A, how are you balancing that I should leave a mark part? Because I know you're secure, but it's still very needed. And second, how are you then satiating the writer within you as well when you're not acting?
That is such a beautifully put question. I've never been asked that up until now. In all these years of also people knowing that I write and I produce, and of course acting as my first priority. So let's tackle the first aspect and nullify that out for you. That intimidation is very important. Competition is supposed to be very healthy, but it should be within the characterization of you coming on set, not personal. It cannot be personal. I will never hold competition कि oh, there's this guy. अच्छा इसके ये कपड़े मिले हैं मेरे ये. No, that's not me. My intimidation is important. I need to get intimidated by an actor in front of me because that's where I get charged.
Yeah.
I put my best foot forward. If in Hisab Barabar, if I'm not intimidated by R. Madhavan in front of me, I'll not be able to become Mickey Mitta. I'll not be able to get that madness in me to challenge that character out. Similarly, if I'm in Hai Junoon and I've been put with such a vast cast, you know, and a bundle of talent that's boasting of talent means next level. Singers, dancers, musicians, gymnasts, six-pack abs, good-looking blokes. In all of this, if I start saying, oh my God, I'm playing mentor to these guys, they don't require it, I'm done with. No, that's healthy competition.
Right.
For me, that is my incentive to sharpen my axe and work harder to get back there and say, yeah, Neil, this isn't competition in a bad way. This is healthy. They are making you go work harder. They're challenging you. Their energy, their focus, their discipline is all infectious. So I treat it as very healthy.
Okay.
Personally, not at all. On character, on set, I won't spare nobody. It is competition on set. Why? Because he has to put his best for me. I have to put my best for him. We both have to respect each other as actors, come well prepared. So if there's another actor who's not as prepared as I am, or I am not prepared for him, very bad. We should respect each other's space, because everyone's putting their best foot forward to leave a mark.
Right.
And create, you know, their own identity. And one should respect it.
True. And then the writer within you.
Now comes the process of writing. It's one of the most beautiful, I consider it almost as close to meditation. Means if someone says, okay, do you meditate? I don't necessarily need to shut my eyes and close my eyes and breathe in and out kind of thing. No, for me, writing is as close to meditation, because I can, you know, literally transform myself or transport myself into another world, visualize it, talk to myself, understand my characters, communicate with them, put all of that on paper and put a screenplay where, you know, it blends in like a story so seamlessly and move forward. And then the beauty is to go and convince somebody else and show them that vision.
That world,
Yes. Many a times, you know, your vision people like, and I have my recent lineup of my films that I'm producing are all written by me also. Have lapped it up. But then there are some creative geniuses, in a very positive way I'm saying, who probably might, you know, as writer, that's the one place where I become very relaxed. I'm not possessive.
But you're a very possessive actor.
I am a possessive actor, yes. Means if I'm not convinced about a shot, or if I'm not even convinced about lighting, you know, because I know that because of this lighting, my performances is getting hampered. I'll fight for it. I'll fight for it because I think I can do better, or maybe you can do better.
Right.
And it's just for the right, you know, क्योंकि एक बार कर दिया फिर छप गया और
फिर खत्म।
बाद में आप नहीं बोल सकते अरे यार ये कर लेते, वो गलत है। अगर कुछ भी रेक्टिफाई करना है अभी करो, शूट होने के समय या उससे पहले ही, यू नो, शूट के बाद ये मत सुनाइएगा हाँ you know what, you were right, we could have done this.
Done is better, huh?
That's
Not that regret.
And I've heard that a lot in my career also.
Okay.
I've warned them, I've said that. People consider sometimes interference. Take it as you may, but it's not a one man's job.
Collaboration.
It's a collaborative effort.
Yeah.
It's not just you, it's me also here.
Yeah, true.
You know?
Yeah, for sure.
So there I feel that whoever says that are very insensitive and very selfish about it's not just yours, bro.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I'm a part of it too.
Okay, if I can take this Neil, who's now evolved, right, who understands probably the craft even better.
Right.
अगर मैं आपको बोलूँ, just teleport yourself back to one of your sets as a pure observer, set, not the final product. What would you pick? One or two things that you feel, or you'll observe, and you'll be like, ये better हो सकता था in general, even if it's of your own performance.
I think Johnny Gaddar, because पहली फिल्म थी,
First film, yeah.
तो अब वहाँ से लेके अब तक तो जिस किस्म की मैच्योरिटी अब है, अगर उस समय होती तो शायद उस किरदार में थोड़ा लेयरिंग और मैं ला पाता, और आवाज़, मॉड्यूलेशन, डायलेक्ट, बहुत चीज़ें मायने रखती थी उस समय भी। बट 23 साल का था जब शुरू की थी फिल्म, अब 43 का हूँ, तो ये 20 साल बाद जो है, ऑफ कोर्स एक किस्म की मैच्योरिटी आती है, एक किस्म का ठहराव आता है।
Right.
यू नो, आप इतने एक्साइटेड नहीं होते हैं कभी कभार, यू नो एक्टर्स जस्ट वांट टू डिलीवर द लाइंस एंड फिनिश इट ऑफ।
Yeah.
अब लाइंस का मतलब समझ में आने लगा है, अब भाषा जो है और अच्छी सुधर गई है, सुधार आई है उसमें, तो ऐसी इनिशियल फिल्मों में होता है, तो हाँ, और वो होगा हर किसी एक्टर के साथ।
I've heard very nice answers on this. Like, you've also given me a good one. They said, we didn't know lighting किधर है, we didn't know कि ये
No,
कैसे
I was
face
always
करता है.
very technically
Evolved. That's
evolved
great.
and very knowledgeable because I was on a set with YRF as an assistant director,
Yeah.
and I was very observant. So I was never not knowledgeable about facing, profiling, lighting. Okay, my if I'm crinkling my eye, what I'm going to be looking like. If I just have a gulp, what is this expression going to mean?
Right.
I'm very aware of my body language in that sense.
That's amazing.
You know, so not that. That no, I was always very aware.
But just to layer your
Just
character
I'm talking about, you know, you become more mature with your experiences also. Heartbreaks,
Yeah.
You know, struggles. They all teach you so much.
Yeah.
And Johnny Gaddar, the character was a very evolved, mature young bloke, of course, making his mistakes and moving time with it. But in that whole thing, the performance required maturity because there was manipulation involved.
Yeah.
And I was too young to understand that, so I performed it in a certain way, and I'm glad that I had guidance with my gurus like Sri Ram Raghavan and Pooja Lalta Surti, and an inherent understanding of the craft to have portrayed that character. But now if I had done it, maybe my nuances would have been sharper, and maybe my conversation with my co-actors vis-a-vis, you know, just pure characterization would have been much deeper.
Right.
Very coincidentally, I've worked 20 years later with Zakir Bhai again on a film which is releasing soon. So we were having the same conversation, and you're like, "Bade badal gaye ho tum, yaar, tumhari awaaz achhi ho gayi hai, tumhari," so that kind of thing. So,
So I'm glad I asked this question because I got to know.
no, I'm glad, yeah.
Okay, tell me something. I need to know. What's that one thing जो एक्टिंग के बारे में है, फेम के बारे में है, आपके प्रोफेशन के बारे में है, जो आपको कोई बुक, कोई इंसान कभी प्रिपेयर नहीं कर सकता, ये आप खुद ही सीखते हैं?
I think आप कितना भी इस बारे में पढ़े, आप कितना भी कोई आपको इस चीज़ को सिखाएं, या सिखाने की कोशिश करें, आप इमोशंस को सीख नहीं सकते, आपको उन्हें एहसास महसूस करना होता है, आप जीते हैं उन इमोशंस को। तो जब जब मेरा ये बड़ा मानना है कि अगर रोना है तो रोने का कोई एक टेक्निक नहीं होता, हर किसी के रोने की का स्टाइल अलग है। मैं अगर रोऊंगा तो शायद मेरा चेहरा आपके रोने के चेहरे से बहुत अलग है, तो मैं कैसे सिखाऊं कि अच्छा रो को दिखा ऐसा। एंड यू नो यू हैव टू स्विच ऑन स्विच ऑफ वेरी क्विक ऑन अ सेट। तो किसी भी किताब में अगर आप बस थियोरेटिकली आप पढ़ सकते हैं कि इतने भाव हैं, 9 रस हैं, ये है वो है, बट उन्हें जीना, उन्हें समझना, उन्हें आपके दिमाग में रख कर उन्हें टैप करके वापस जगाना उस पल में, उस मोमेंट पे जहाँ उसकी ज़रूरत है, वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपकी लाइफ के एक्सपीरियंसेस आपको दे सकते हैं। आप बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, आप जब लोगों से मिलते हैं उनके सिर्फ चकाचौंध उनके रंग रूप से, उनके कपड़ों से, उनकी खूबसूरती से आप प्रभावित ना हो, बट उनको अंडरस्टैंड करने की कोशिश कीजिए, उनके बॉडी लैंग्वेज को। कहीं ना कहीं वो चीज़ आपको आगे जाके जब आप कैरेक्टराइजेशन कुछ कर रहे हैं शायद वो आपके काम आए, है ना। जैसे सातखुल माफ का किरदार जो था, मैंने कभी किसी वन लेगेड ऑफिसर को तो ऐसा नहीं देखा है जो कि इस किस्म का है, बट मेरे एक अंकल हुआ करते थे जो कि जिनका एक लहजा था बैठने का, है ना। तो मुझे लगता था यार ये काफ़ी दिलचस्प किस्म के कैरेक्टर हैं यार, कि एक वो जब 2 ड्रिंक पियेंगे तो कुछ और एक रूप उनका आता। तो मैं उन्हें कॉन्स्टेंटली ऑब्जर्व करते रहता और मैंने वही चीज़ इम्बाइब की अपने बॉडी लैंग्वेज में जब मुझे सातखुल माफ़ करना था, क्योंकि वो थे शायद 45 साल के उस समय और मैं था 25-26 साल का। तो मैं उन्हें देखता तो वो बॉडी लैंग्वेज मैंने इम्बाइब की। तो ऑब्जर्वेशन आई थिंक ऑब्जर्व करना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, एंड यू हैव टू बी रिसेप्टिव, you know, let yourself emote, don't feel scared of being expressive। आज के टाइम में मैं देख रहा हूँ कि हर कोई जो है बहुत ही कर्ट हो गया है एक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, मैं अगर कहूँ तो दे बिकम वेरी रिजर्व्ड। चाहे इमोशन हो, चाहे दुख हो, चाहे खुशी हो, चाहे कुछ भी हो, मैं अपने तक ही सीमित हूँ। क्यों भाई? आपको अगर किसी चीज़ से कोई बात आपको खटक रही है या बुरा लग रहा है, एक्सप्रेस करो कि भाई ये आपने क्यों किया, मुझे तो अच्छा नहीं लगा। ओके, अगर आपको किसी से कहना है सर यार आई लव यू सर, क्या काम किया आपने, कह दो, है ना। किसी से अगर आप प्यार करते हैं कह दो, एक्सप्रेस कर दो ना। आपके एक्सप्रेशन से अगर आप एक्सप्रेसिव हैं, रिसेप्टिव, अगर वो आदमी रिसेप्टिव है, सामने वाला रेसिप्रोकेट करे, तो आप लाइफ में बस एक एक्सपीरियंस लेकर ही आगे बढ़ेंगे,
राइट,
है ना। तो वो वही है, और वो चीज़ एक्सपीरियंसेस लाइफ के आपको कोई किताब, कोई गुरु, कोई नहीं सिखा सकता, वो आप ही के हैं।
You know, I also have to bring this up. हमारी बात हुई थी हिसाब बराबर के टाइम पे, where मैंने आपसे पूछा था कि how are you with PR and pap culture and everything, एंड आपने मुझे बहुत ऑनेस्टली एक जवाब दिया था कि कई बार ऐसा हुआ है कि मैं होता भी था उन जगहों पे, बट आई वुड नॉट गेट पैप्ड और क्लिप्ड। ओके, बट आई वॉज एट द ट्रेलर इवेंट एट जो अभी हुआ एक दिन पहले एट मैरियट, एंड आई ऑब्जर्व्ड, मैं थी वहाँ पे, मैंने आपको देखा, सिंस यू वर बिजी आई डिडंट कम एंड से हेलो, बट व्हाट आई डिड से, you were getting papped, you had fans walking up to you, everybody wanted to take a picture with you, and there was a whole different scenario that has happened. It's a positive, beautiful change, and I just observed from back. I was like, it's the same person who we had a chat with about the exact same thing, and here, it's a flip.
Yeah, I mean, you know, I think somewhere honesty is very important. And like I said, if I'm trying to reach out to my fellow contemporaries, my actors, my co-actors, my media, my friends in the media, my paparazzi, brothers, if I can't reach out to you and ask you for help, who will I? If you don't support me, who will?
Yeah.
So I'm only very thankful to all of those who've helped me transition from that feeling to now.
To this, yeah.
Because you have encouraged an actor who's been here for 2 decades to try and hopefully live on for the next 10,
Yeah.
10 years more.
It was beautiful to see all those fans coming and taking your
You're not doing it
pictures.
for me alone.
Yeah.
Please do remember, I also have a family. I also have a family to feed and support.
Yeah.
I have a daughter. She's 6 years old. My life is now all about her. I have to work hard for her. So I need the support even more.
Yeah.
I have no shame. As a father, as a parent, if I have to work hard for my child and if I have to do anything to make sure that I can give her a good upbringing and a good life, I will break my back for it.
Right.
Yeah.
I loved to see that. That was a beautiful scene to see.
I'm
I
so
had
happy.
so many people who came there. You were in a circle and you were very graciously accommodating to every picture that the fans were taking.
No. So
It was
fans have
beautiful to watch.
always been very encouraging. What we had spoken was about being clicked on red
Yeah.
carpets and not being obviously showcased on certain platforms, because obviously that's the nature of the business also. I realized that late.
Yeah. But now it's changed. अब मैंने देखा आपको
हाँ,
check out.
so but from a fan point of view, fans by the grace of God have up until now been very encouraging, have always given me so much love. So my constant namaste to them and a big thank you that for the last 2 decades you all have helped me so
Yeah.
much, and I hope they continue.
Also, you have a separate fan following of people for your song with Bipasha, which is whatever Gazab. That's a song. Yeah, that's a song that has a separate fan base of its own only that does not change.
That song, Tune Jo Na Kaha. There are
Yeah,
multiple
wonderful.
Move, Ye Baari
But
Mein.
that also, oh yeah.
I've been blessed with some really iconic songs in my career up until now. Yeah.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
Before I wrap this up, I have to ask you, if you today, as somebody who could probably say कि ये मेरे बारे में evolve हुआ या change हुआ, or this one thing that you observed about yourself that nobody else has observed yet, what is that one thing?
Patience.
Patience तो मैंने observe किया, मैंने बोला introduction में.
The one thing that maybe that has evolved in me is, I think, a certain amount of maturity
Okay.
in handling a situation and addressing it calmly. I used to be a slightly more expressive and energetic and bloke earlier. Now there is a certain calmness in me that my struggles have taught me also. My success, my failures, my success again has given me that kind of grounding that for me I've understood that कि मेहनत से आलस से कुछ नहीं होता, मेहनत से कुछ होता है और रहमत से सब कुछ होता है. I have come to that point in life where I know that I will continue working hard. I'm not a lazy bum. But eventually, there is one almighty up there who's puppeteering our moves. How much ever we plan, he's already, got his plans and in place for us, So, in that, I just want to do good karma. I want to work hard. I want to do... so that maturity in me has come in as a human being also. I've become slightly more mature in... not to evaluate a situation before I talk. I used to be very impulsive, like won't analyze, just go.
And that comes with a cost.
Big cost. And now it's like, what's the worst that can happen?
Yeah.
Calm down. Honesty is the best way forward.
Yeah.
There's no way forward better than honesty. What's the worst that can happen?
Yeah.
At least we're trying hard. At least one step at a time. We've come this far. we'll go further.
Go further, for sure, for sure. You know, on a parting note, I just have to say this. That's exactly what Sunil Shetty said yesterday to me in this conversation, where he said, now you will see my better performances.
है ना?
Because now I have better understanding of everything and I'm going to maximize this opportunity for everything that I
And
do.
I think Anna is looking the best he's ever looked. Oh my God, I met him a couple of months ago and I just hugged him and I said, what are you looking? Now that's inspiration,
That's
right?
inspiration, yeah, for sure.
There you
Listen,
go.
you're also looking the same. There's no difference in 23 and 43 or whatever age you're talking about. So the shelf life is increasing.
No, I mean, thank you. And that's the reason, big reason I also did the show. Because now that way, you consider that.
Yeah.
But irrespective, I think, look, when you have people like Sunil sir in front of you and so many,
Yeah.
you have Sunny sir in front of you, you have Bobby.
Yeah.
You have so many of these giant, inspirations in front of you. It's a long journey.
Yeah. Okay. Just now it struck me. Can you probably compare or pick an actor who you think has a similar journey like yours? Similar, not the exact same.
I think Bobby Deol would be the closest
Exactly what I came to mind.
to that. There are many. In fact, I see Akshay Khanna also. But Akshay is also one of the finest actors that we have in the country. But he's also very reserved. Akshay sir is very reserved in that sense. I'm a big fan. Like from his first film to now, every film of his, I'm a big fan.
Yeah.
But because I'm a fan, I want to see him a lot more.
Yeah.
Now, I know that, Aryaar, if this was Akshay Khanna, he would have eaten it up. So I want to see. So maybe there are a few of those really solid actors who I consider like, but I'm very happy about Bobby.
Yeah.
And the fact that he's again sharpened himself and his act so much.
Yeah.
Come back, reinvented himself, new avatar, new look, completely different approach to how he's addressing his characters, whether it was his show Ashram,
Yeah. Around.
to Animal, to all of that. I mean, brilliant work. So very happy, and to be very honest, I'm very happy about Fardeen also. He's looking amazing.
Yeah, he's looking stunning.
He's looking so good. I met him at a common friends party and just went up to him and I said, oh my God, I've considered him always one of the most good-looking men in the industry. Aren't actors supposed to be like that?
Yeah, we want to watch good-looking people.
Thank you.
Like, nahi dekhna
Thank
hai.
you.
I need to see good looks
Thank
on screen. I'm paying paisa for it.
Arey,
Baba.
thank you.
So that's it.
कहीं वो thanks कोई तो है जो कह
No, no, of course we all want to watch, but
So I'm glad, when I saw him also, I said, wow, man, this is a guy who's transformed himself. So I'm waiting for him also to
yeah,
get that kind of work back into action, and I think he's at it.
yeah, he's at it.
He's doing some really nice stuff. So
Great.
it takes time. We'll get there.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
But for now, with all the Junoon that we have within us, we're going to support and love that. And
Thank you so
keep
much.
hoping for more conversations with you, Neil.
Thank you.
Absolute pleasure.
Thank you.
And I think now we can both go and get a good night's sleep.
Good night.
But thank you so much, Neil. Thank you so much.
Thank
Always
you.
a pleasure
Loads of
speaking
love.
to you.
Thank you.
Loads of love. Good night.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much. To everybody watching out there, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I shall see you in our next episode. Thank you.